guys, welcome back to Sonic's. Today we're going to be unboxing and putting together this Ender-3 S1 3D printer. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is lay everything out and tell you what we got inside the box. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get a nice surface. Make sure you have your Allen wrench and Allen wrench screws. Then you're going to take your rails, put them on that little platform. Your hot extruder, place it on there like so, under that. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little piece, flip it up just like this, and snap it on in right there. Nice and tight. For our next step, we're going to attach our rails to our bed.
Artlist.io.
So what I like to do is I take the cable, I put it over there, flip it back over like that. See, partially done. Take it. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the touch screen with this and a few others with the other Allen wrench. We're gonna move this out of the way. Take this. Then we're gonna put this over here so it doesn't get damaged. We're gonna flip it back over. That take a computer. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this filament roller, quickly snap it in like this, which you're gonna go this direction. Then you're gonna snap it on the top here, put it in like that. Then gently put this together like that and let it hang. And now we are going to wire this 3D printer by taking the cable we had earlier. Make sure you follow the steps on here. Then you're gonna want to take your big one, put it under here just like this, then take your other one and put it into the under right here. Oh, other way.
Music licensing reimagined.
Under like that. I'm gonna put this one, the Z-axis, onto there. Take the wire that's inside of here with the tape on it, just slide it down under the tape. It is the filament detector. Put it in just like that. And then you're going to take this one by taking off the tape. Then you're going to put it in right just like that. And make sure to remove your tape so it doesn't stand on there. Same with this one. Well, you could. If you live in the US like me, and want to use a normal 120 socket, you will have to go to the back of the machine, take off this little piece, which is hidden right here, and switch it to 115. Alright, next we will need to add power to get to our bed level, which is plug in back here, flip this switch over here, which should heat up the machine right here. Take this neatly off. And then the first thing we're gonna do is level the bed by going to leveling. Make sure to push down, which it will start bed leveling. We go to prepare. Then go down to your Z offset. Take your 0.1 paper, go all the way to the back nozzle. Then you're gonna wanna make it to where it's barely touching the paper so that you can still move it, but barely. 320 seems good for us. Next, after when you're done with the Z offset, you want to go to preheat PLA. Oh. You're going to put it through the cutoff center right here. You're going to put it over here. Then you're going to pull this to open the extruder. Like that. Go down. Let go. Make sure it's going. Right here. You plug it in. Here, go back into print. So they gave you some sample files, which you want to go to the first one, which is an Ender bit, which you will start printing.